You may or may not have heard that we've just launched our new rental programme for clothing and equipment in partnership with Zoa and ACS. We've made our way up to Glasgow today to ACS so that we can have a look behind the scenes to see what happens to the clothing and equipment after it's been returned from rental to make sure it is performance ready for you. So we'll go through the cleaning process, the packaging, every step to make sure that the equipment is ready for you for your next adventure. With over 25 years of experience specialising in clothing and equipment rental fulfilment and having achieved B Corp status, ACS was an obvious choice to partner with for our Trekitt Rental programme. Based out of their purpose-built facility on the outskirts of Glasgow, ACS and their professional team will be the ones fulfilling your rental orders. But not only that, they will be at the heart of assessing, cleaning and repairing all the gear to ensure it's ready for your next adventure. After a kit arrives back at ACS, thanks to the included prepaid postage label, it gets sorted and sent to their ozone chamber for sanitisation. This technology is a more conscious alternative to traditional cleaning chemicals and is being increasingly adopted in the industry as a means to reduce water consumption, energy usage and chemical waste. The current ozone chamber is housed in a repurposed lorry trailer with a custom mural designed by students from New College, Lanarkshire. Once put through the ozone chamber, your gear is sent to the team for further assessment for any cleaning or repairs to keep the kit in tip-top condition. The attention to detail at this stage is impressive. Every item is thoroughly inspected. Depending on the attention needed, small stains can be taken care of with spot cleaning, or if needed, a full wash cycle is completed. This helps further reduce water and energy consumption, something ACS are fully committed to. Grey water and rainwater are utilised where they can to further reduce their water usage. Rest assured that your rental items will arrive in the best condition possible and be adventure ready from the outset for you. If any repairs are required, the items are handed over to the team of in-house repairers, fully equipped with the skills and experience to repair everything sent their way. Because of this, you may find your rental items come with some visible repairs. They will still perform exactly as intended, but now they carry an extra badge of honour for adventures past. Repairing items is a value Trekitt holds close to. If an item can be repaired, we feel it should be so it can continue to be used and enjoyed. But if items do suffer irreparable damage or reach the end of their serviceable life, ACS will use them for spares and repairs to keep the rest of the rental range in tip-top shape, or recycle the components they can no longer make use of. Once repaired, the items are prepped for storage, so a quick trip through the steam tunnel for anything that needs steaming, then onto the automated conveyors that run throughout the facility. Every item is RFID tagged so the system knows where it is and can be sorted and picked accordingly. All very smart stuff. Recycled protective packing bags are added for storage to keep everything clean now it's been processed. The items are then sent to storage on the upper levels until an order is placed. At this point, the items are stored and ready for you to rent. Once you hit that button, the automated system sort your items from the thousands available, not just from us, and they can be packaged and shipped direct to your door. Your package will arrive in Trekitt packaging. Just look out for that green bear and you know a parcel of outdoor goodies is ready and waiting for you to get out there and adventure with. Trekitt Rentals. Rent, roam, return.